and you can see that the special checkpoints have been established at the various sensitive locations in the Kashmir Valley. These are the visuals where the frisking is being done for the precautionary measures. These are the individuals who are coming from the border areas in the Uri and other sensitive locations of the Kashmir Valley, which we can't mention the exact locations, but yes, we have seen that the searches are being carried out at the various sensitive locations. Like right now we are standing on the Srinagar-Muzaffarabad highway, and you can see how the frisking is being done by the forces, by the Jawans of the BSF, and also we can see here the forces of the special operation group are doing the frisking of the individuals who are here in the various locations in the Kashmir Valley. We have seen around there are some number of the operations which are going in the Kashmir Valley in the number of 44 locations, starting from line of control Uri, where we have seen that there was an attempt by the terrorists to infiltrate to this side, but we have seen that the forces are on alert and they have killed 2 terrorists already in the past days, and we have seen the huge Khichi of arms ammunition recover. Then we will come to Baramulla, where we have seen that the old town area and other sensitive locations of Baramulla are being checked by the joint forces following the same kind of operation. If we'll go about the Sopore in the North Kashmir, or Bandipora or Kopwara, where we have seen recently that the mega anti-terror operations are also on there, where we have seen that the kg of arms ammunition have also been recovered there, and the same kind of operations are being conducted in the central Kashmir's Srinagar, where we have seen that the houses of the individuals are being raided by the forces. We have yesterday seen that the search were carried out the terror associates who were affiliated with the Jaish-e-Mohammed, Lashkar-e-Toiba, and other the residents of these peoples are also being raided by the joint security forces in the central Kashmir, Srinagar. And then if we'll go towards the South Kashmir, where the happening is going on there, we have seen the first operation which started in the Pahalgam after the Delhi terror attack. Following the same attack, we have seen that the people there have been called by the various security agencies in the South Kashmir. If we'll talk about the South Kashmir, where the ongoing operation is going on, particularly if we talk about the Pulwama, where we have seen the search were carried in the Murran and other adjoining areas in the Pulwama district. Then after, we have seen that the same kind of operations have been conducted overall in the South Kashmir areas. Particularly if we talk about the Kulgam district, where we have seen the terror associates were also detained for the questioning earlier.